I'm getting the hell away from you bitches.
What is that? Dude, I'm popping those.
Somebody else.
Huh?
He said he thinks you have the gun and I have the knife again.
Oh, that's probably how it is.
Okay, whoever has the gun, pick a number between 1 and 2, and then we pick a number between 1 and 2, and whoever has the same number that you do, you shoot them.
1 and 2.
There's 2 of us.
Gotcha.
So if I pick 1, and you pick the number 1 in your head, then you have to shoot me.
Okay.
We're playing number or die.
Number or die?
Yep. So who has the gun?
That's confidential information.
Andy has the gun.
I cannot release that information, sir.
We cannot release that information at this time, sir. I think Nick's the murderer this time.
Don't think I'm the murderer this time.
I think you're the murderer again, and he's the gunman.
What kind of bullshit would that be drawing it to?
Okay, Andy's the murderer.
No, I'm
You
not.
kind of gave me a weird look when we were walking away.
I was watching you.
Because he said, I have the gun, and you have the knife. I don't have the gun. You don't have the knife. He has the knife.
I don't even have the knife.
Yeah,
Oh, I do
you don't have
it.
the knife. He does. Just kill him. You want me to run through this again?
Yeah, hit it one more time.
So I was thinking that Andy has the gun, because I don't have the gun. And then he was saying, I have the gun, and you have the knife. I don't have the gun, you don't have the knife. He has the knife.
Okay. What do you think it is? How do you think the hand is right now?
Well, now I think you have the gun and he has the knife.
Okay.
I thought it was the other way around
Andy,
again.
what do you think it is?
I think you have the gun, he has the knife.
I think Andy has the knife and Nick has the gun.
Andy has the gun, Jared has the knife.
I was trying to take like a tally to see who had more.
Oh.
To see what's gonna happen here.
Let's have a town meeting and vote who to kill.
Alright. Everybody place your votes.
Alright. Here, wait. I'm gonna draw in the sand, like in a confidential location, like a name box, and then we go check it off. Except I need some sand somewhere. Actually, there's more sand over here. Okay, so that's mine. This is Andy's vote box. Democracy, motherfuckers. Okay, so who votes first?
That's not very confidential if we have a vote box above it. Or are we just putting check marks?
No, like, alright, so we go, like, everyone else goes away while I vote, and then you come back and vote.
Well, then we all know what.
Oh, we all know whose. Oh, yeah, you're right.
There's only 3 of us. It doesn't work that well. How about we do 1, 2, 3, and then we all say it at the same time.
Or just play that mini game
What mini game?
with the knife. Where we all have the knife out.
Okay, I'm voting for myself. No, because I fuck this town. Okay, Andy has the gun. Okay, Jared has the gun. Okay, I have the gun.
Uh-oh.
No, I don't. Alright, my voting's done. I've done my civic duty. Who's gonna be voted off the island?
I vote.
You don't say it.
We go check the tallies afterward.
He said it out loud.
Oh,
Yeah, true.
fuck it.
We'll mark up the tallies later. Once everyone's voted. Alright.
Who wants to go pull a lone survivor off the cliff?
Time for that, we're voting.
After we vote, duh. Not yet. Alright.
Votes are in.
The votes are in.
Votes are in.
Alright, the votes are in. And the new Miss America is all of us.
Fucking stalemate.
Oh no, the vote was rigged. Andy dies.
Oh wait, he meant to say himself.
Oh, I think we're doing something wrong.
I think we are too.
Well, we didn't have a government teacher, so we don't know how the fuck democracy works.
Yeah, our government teacher was dick.
Did everyone just vote for themselves?
No.
Oh,
You voted
I voted for myself, and then you voted for Andy, and then he voted for you.
Yeah. This is getting very tight grouped.
Yeah, it is.
I'm trying to stay far enough away. I don't trust this.
I think we just need to hug it out.
Yeah, dude.
Some makeup sex, makeup threesome.
Yeah, right. It's got to be warmed by the fireplace. I slip, I just catch myself.
Jared still has the ugliest yellow on his foot, so he should die.
That's why I think
He should die.
This is a very nice tree.
warmed by this fireplace.
Oh, thank you. Thank you very much.
There's a fireplace in my house.
I appreciate your comment.
I appreciate you. You honest. Y'all just gonna get inside that tiny ass space?
Okay, we're just gonna.
Fuck it. Fuck them.
Alright, well,
Fucking blazing up.
Can you give me a light?
Fight asbestos in there. Jared didn't come in our weed house. We could kill him.
Yep.
Yeah.
I'm in.
He came in through the window. He
gotta
used
come
to
in through
die.
the back door. Come on, like gangbusters.
That's the front door. It's the only fucking door.
You wanna bet?
Gotta come in the back door like gangbusters. Where is he?
I don't know.
He hasn't been there the last couple of days. Student council literally got moved into the library because he's not there anymore.
Really?
Yeah, he hasn't been there for like the last week.
Is he fucking door hinge on the window?
Window hinge, did you ever think of that?
No, I don't think.
This is stressful.
Because you have the gun and you don't know who to shoot.
I just don't know what to do in this situation.
He's thinking of someone to kill first because he has the knife.
What is the thing on top of your
Little microphone.
it's a microphone?
Yeah.
Does Andy's have one?
Yep.
Oh, I see it now.
By the way, guys, this house is haunted.
He's the murderer. Or she, whatever the spirit is.
Casper's the murderer.
Bike ladies.
Where is it? Dude, look at that perp.
Perfect.
Who's Quigley?
I'm Quigley. I'm Quigley. You're
On the wall.
Slen. Slen.
Did I say silent?
Silent.
Zeus.
Silent Hill.
Zeus, Silent, and Quigley.
I'm Quigley.
Linman.
Linman.
Haley.
Quigley sounds like a murderer name.
Quigley sounds like a really fun like party guy name.
Quigley sounds like a weird name.
Quigley sounds like the weird uncle guy's name.
Yeah, that weird perverted uncle. That always tries to touch you in the right place.
Yep.
Dude, Quigley makes me think of Fregley on Diary of a Wimpy Kid. The weird kid that flicks his booger. Stuck it on a piece of paper and slipped underneath the door. Weird ass.
It's me.
Awkward silence.
I'm still just, like staring you guys down.
Awkward silence much?
Let's try to summon the ghost in here.
Yeah, they need a Ouija board.
Dude, this paint right here kind of looks like a dick.
It's in like the perfect spot too.
Yeah.
It's probably actual vinyl.
Hey, are you the murderer?
He's the murderer.
You're gonna kill
Talking
someone.
about your dick.
That's something only somebody cruel would say.
Yeah.
Like a murderer.
Oh, well, actually, pretty much anyone could say it. So.
To you, maybe.
I heard like a vibrate
I heard a-
microphone.
I
Oh,
heard a
was that your
bike.
phone? Did you hear a bike? I was gonna say. What'd you do if the bikes came as like riding itself? Just
I'd shoot wherever
He's
it's
like-
supposed to be a person. Or throw a knife at least.
well, my pipe with some perp.
You gotta stick it on the wall.
Alright.
Not that loud dang
Gotta
ass
balance.
word, bro. Hold up, let me see that. Oh shit! Oh, son of a bitch.
Now it's actual
You guys like
size.
my suppressor?
Yeah, right. That's my knife. I mean.
What? Knife? What?
Yeah, the knife is the nickname for my penis.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Cock.
Mhm.
Your cock, bro.
My cock.
My cook. My dick.
My dick is over 70 years old.
And it looks brand new. This was gonna happen again, guys.
Yep, this is where it always happens. This tree just like influences murder.
Serious?
Yeah,
It always happens right
it
here.
always happens right here. Well, I stabbed everyone over there before, but I mean,
So
I
you've successfully been the murderer.
no. I didn't say anything. So should we play number or die?
You guys hear that creak?
Yeah. That's the last thing you'll ever hear. I'm just kidding. Let's play number or die. Who has the gun?
We all have a gun.
But who has the gun?
Everybody get your gun out. We all have
Alright.
a gun.
Whoever has the real gun gets to shoot someone right now. We all just aim at someone. Whoever has the real gun shoots. Pick someone to aim at. Whoever has the gun shoot.
Why is everybody pointing at Nick? Shouldn't we have like a triangle? Shouldn't we have a triangle going?
Yeah, we should have a triangle going.
You point at me.
Alright, you point at Andy. Alright, whoever has the real gun, just shoot. I wasn't the murderer.
Shit. Wait, you can throw the knife?
Yeah.